download Blender in laptop and PC. Hey everybody, welcome back. In this guide, I'll show you how can you download Blender in laptop and PC. To do it so, you want to open up a browser and then you want to go to blender.org. Once you go to this link, you'll be taken to the official page, which will look something like this. So here, what you have to do is click the download option in the bottom left hand side corner. Find a list of versions. You could go with any of it. You could click on download Blender, or you could also go ahead and select any of these. Now I'm gonna go with this, and it's gonna take a couple of seconds in order to install it. So now that it is completely installed, you could see in the top right hand side corner it's being installed. You want to open up the file location, and then you want to double click onto it. And once it is run, then you need to run the installation. So click on run, after which you just have to make sure to go and follow the on-screen prompt. Just click on next and then confirm it all, and you'll be able to install the Blender on your laptop or PC. After which you could also go ahead and change the theme and all of that. So that's how you could download Blender. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.